everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of March 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Cancer. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for the month of March. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading. I will be adding color cards as well, so stay tuned. But I won't be taking charms in this reading. So yeah, while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's see, Cancerians, what is coming up for you in the month of March. Let's begin. Three of Wands. There's something that you're waiting for right now. As you start of the month, there is something that you're waiting for. You are waiting. Diligently is what I'm picking up. It seems like you are pretty much in your head about it, whatever it is that you're waiting for. I don't see you doing much about it, to be very honest. Like if let me put it this way: if you really want to be, if you're single and you really want to be in a relationship, there's nothing that you're doing. It's just that you're waiting for a Prince Charming to come in and be the one for you. But at the same time, what is it that you're doing? Nothing. You are not taking the practical steps towards that one goal of yours where you're waiting for a person to come, your life partner, your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it is. Maybe it applies to your work life situation. You are waiting for something, maybe a good opportunity or something. But are you doing the things that needs to be done? That's the question here. Because I feel like you are waiting, but you are not taking any action. Physical action or mental action, either action of the two has to be taken, which you are not taking right now. Let's see more cards here. I do see as you move forward, you will be starting taking some mental actions towards it by using affirmations and prayers. You would start feeling like the need to use law of attraction techniques, prayers, affirmations, and stuff like that, connecting yourself to the God that you believe in. Seek help from God that you believe in, and I feel like that's gonna bring it's at least you are taking some steps forward towards it, whatever it is that you're waiting for. I do see that you will be kind of you will be basically kind of seeking help from the divine in the process. uh, Whatever it is that you're waiting for, you will seek guidance from the divine. You will be connecting yourself to the higher self, meditating a lot, um, because you don't know what else can you do. It's more of that energy where you feel like that's the max I can do right now. I can wait for it to happen, but then it's not happening. So you're gonna connect yourself to the God that you believe in, and that's gonna make you understand what is it that you need to do to make things happen. Let's see more cards here. Wow. As you seek help, the help is given. As you seek whatever it is that you want, it is given. So it's more of I would suggest whatever it is that you're waiting for, start taking mental action towards it. Affirmations, visualizations, prayers, scripting, do those kind of things to make it happen. Whatever it is that you're waiting for, you will be given that. It's just the matter of you intending that this is what I want. Help me, guide me. Just seek that guidance from the divine. You will be getting that. You will be getting the path forward towards what you want. It's very important right now. The only delay that you are having right now is because you are not taking any action towards it. There's no practical plans towards it. Single, coupled, in a third party situation, whatever it is, use um, connection with the God. Seek guidance, help, and it shall be given. Seven of Swords. Now it is very important for you to know what are you asking for, because I do see you getting that, but then I see you running away from it, whatever it is. So make sure you are letting the universe know what is it that you want. Don't say I want my ex back, I want my ex back, I want my ex back, and then there's another ex that's coming back in your life. Make sure the ex that you want, you are thinking of that very ex, not any ex. So there is something happening around those lines. Be clear when you're putting your intention out. What are you intending for? What is it? Who is it that you want? Your ex will be coming back if that's what you want. A new job will be coming towards you if that's what you want. Have to be very clear. You have to be very clear. Because I feel like, whatever it is that you're asking, you are getting, but then you are running away from it. Yep, you would feel like, no, I don't want this. I don't want this. I meant this sex. So it's going to be too late by then. Um, if you want a lover, you will be getting that, but you have to make it sure, like, what kind of lover do you want? Do you want, somebody who's older than you? Do you want somebody younger than you? Do you want somebody passionate about you? Do you want somebody bossy? Do you want somebody loving? Do you want somebody friendly? Do you want somebody this, that? Give all the details that you can give to the universe and intend that I want exactly that kind of a person in my life, and that person will be given. But I do see you making a mistake, or you might have already made that mistake. You have asked for something and you are getting this month whatever it is that you have asked for, but then you're gonna feel like, oh my god, I didn't want this. For some of you, you might be like looking for a relationship, and then you get the person committing to you, and you would be like, oh my god, I never thought it's going to be that quick. So you would feel like, oh my god, I need a fresh breather. It's going to be a good month overall is what I'm picking up, especially when it comes to your one wish that will be granted for sure. Make sure that you use your connection with the god. So and one more thing, I cannot emphasize on the fact enough that intention needs to be very clear. What is it that you want? You will get that. One person, one ex, what do they want with you if they come back? How do you want things to be with them if they come back? Do let the universe know all of it. And then be receptive to the messages coming from the universe. Listen to the intuition, listen to the inspired ideas, and follow that. It's going to lead you towards what you have asked for. I do see you getting one of your wish fulfilled, so make sure you wish for something that you really desire. I mean, the day you do have 3 of Cups, wow, it's going to be a beautiful month, especially if you are single or if you have been struggling in love life. Use this time to manifest whatever it is that you have been praying and wishing for. I do see somebody very stable, very passionate coming in your life, but make sure that's the exact passion that you're looking for. You should be very clear in your mind around it. Let's see more cards here. Why fit in when you were born to stand out? Wow. I feel like, whoever it is that is entering in your life is going to be somebody really, really good. And that's going to make you feel like, oh my God. It's going to be kind of a miraculous thing. Somebody you would find very hard to believe yourself as well. Like, it's going to be so good to be true. Um, Maybe it's just gonna make you nervous because you would feel like it's too good to be true. For others of you, maybe you are gonna ask for something, and then it's not like, as you mentioned, as you didn't mention it complete. Maybe you will be attracting a wrong ex in your life as well. Create your own sunshine. You are the co-creator right now with the universe, so use that power and make your dream come true. Wow, Cancerians, you're rocking it. Gem of a person. Make sure you let the universe know exactly how you want your person to be. Let the universe bring you the best man, best woman ever existed in this world, and know that you deserve that. So yeah, let's see more cards here. Okay, gratitude is the key. As you manifest your life partner, as you seek help, and as you get the help from the universe, guidance from the universe, give your gratitude. The more you are grateful of everything that's happening, the guidance and everything, the more you will be getting more reasons to be grateful for. You need yourself right now. You need nobody else but yourself. July to December is going to be a very significant time frame for you, and fire signs, for some of you could be dealing with a fire sign as well. Earth signs, for some of you could be dealing with earth signs as well. Angel numbers and alignment. As you see angel numbers, repetitive numbers, that means you are getting aligned to what you have asked for. Manifest your life partner. Ooh, you are manifesting your life partner. So it's going to be such a good month for you that way. Let's see more cards here. Workaholic. Make sure you ask for exactly how you want your person to be. Workaholic, somebody who's addicted to you, somebody who's addicted to their work. What kind of person do you do you want? For some of you, when you think of a person, and if you are manifesting an ex back, make sure that you don't manifest their workaholicness as you manifest them back in your life. Just think of them to be, giving you the top priority always. Enlightenment. You will be like, your connection with God is going to make things like, work for you like magic. So make sure you have that bond with the God that you believe in. Meditate, affirm, just do all those things. Emerald, calm your mind, body, and soul. Number 30. So this shade of green is going to be lucky for you. You can also wear emerald stone if you want. Then we do have mauve. Enjoy clear hearing. I feel like, for some of you, you might be getting some guidance towards the specific someone in your life through messages, verbal messages. You might hear some words in your dreams as well during the, month of March. Let's see one more card here. Work through your fears. Let go of your fears. Just let go of your fears. Whatever it is that you're fearful of, just let that all go and believe you can have all that you want. Nothing will come of the situation. Whatever you're fearful of, let that all go, because you only then will have what you want. Your fears are not going to get you anything. Just believe that you can have whatever you want, whatever you desire, and let that happen for yourself. So yeah, this message comes up for you for the month of March. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.